A storm is erupted in Mhondoro after state security agents reportedly confiscated girls' soccer jerseys donated by Mutsa Murombezi, the Member of Parliament for National and West Proportional Representation. Zambira mashuko budanyo kopangwa ine anyo kwachinzi Mnangagwa CIOs cause Havoc in Mhondoro. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina bepa na orezim I obudanyo rachiti. The move is sparked outrage and fear among villagers, with many accusing government agents of politically motivated harassment. Speaking on Saturday, Murombezi said the agents stormed a local girls' soccer team and seized the jerseys she had donated to support their sporting activities. In quotes, security agents have just confiscated the soccer jerseys I donated to a girls' soccer team in rural Mhondoro, she said. While I stood in Beijing, marking 30 years of the Beijing Declaration, a global promise to protect girls, promote equality, and end child marriage, they stripped girls in Mhondoro. Murombezi said the officials claimed she was not allowed to support the team, a justification she called upset and cruel. Their reason that I must not support them how? By helping them stay in school, by fighting teen pregnancies, by giving them dignity through sport, by helping them stay out of drugs, she asked. The opposition legislator said the incident shows how authorities fear empowered girls more than they fear social problems like poverty and child marriages. They fear empowered girls more than they fear teen pregnancies, said Murombezi. Through that platform, many girls who were destined to vanish from classrooms into poverty are coming up, opening up, and we are intervening to keep them in school. She described the incident as a radioactive irony, contrasting her advocacy for girls' rights abroad with the repression taking place at home. In Beijing, we reaffirmed our commitment to girls in Zimbabwe. They punished a rural Mhondoro girls soccer team for being seen, for being supported, for daring to dream, she said. Tomba developments anuchika pangwa inoi aiwa ku Mhondoro. Pina comment section yedu kuti zamafunguro enyu mutikudipa mzoro pe chitiko ichi. So subscribe or like achetombe bell icon.